Hello? Well, turn it down then. You were jamming just a second ago. What are you doing? What's my baby boy doing? Hello? Say hi. Now you're just still. Well, there you go. What? What? Do you need something to play with? Here's Max. Here's Max. Not into Max? How about this? Want this? Oh. Oh. You're remembering this. It's been since earlier today since we played with it. What you doing? Huh? What? You want to talk for anybody? Hmm? Say hello. Hello. There's that Taz dog. He wants back inside. You're almost there. He has a hard time getting things to his mouth. He's got the general idea, but he misses sometimes and it makes him frustrated. This is 13 weeks and 3 days. Getting big, huh, boy? Almost 3.5 weeks old. 3.5 months old. Wow. Mom's tired. Because you got me up at 4 this morning and didn't want to go back to sleep, did you? No, you didn't. Yeah. What is this? You gonna get it? Look how much he's grown. Can you tell? Next to his monkey. What are you doing? Whoa. Whoa. Hello, precious.